Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to install the Bitnami version of WordPress on Google Cloud Compute Engine. Before we get started, 1. Make sure you have already signed up for a free Google Cloud trial account. If not, go to console.cloud.google.com, sign up for a free trial account and you'll receive $300 in free trial credit for 12 months from Google to start with. And 2. Make sure you are logged into your Google Cloud dashboard. Let's get started. Click on the navigation menu icon in the upper left corner from your Google Cloud dashboard. Then click on Marketplace. Click on Virtual Machines. Wait as it loads. And then click on Blog and CMS. Next. Click on WordPress Certified by Bitnami and Automatic. And then click on the Launch button to continue. Next. Give your deployment a name. Next. Choose a zone for your instance. And then choose a machine type to suit your needs. Next. Choose a disk type, preferably SSD persistent disk. And then choose your preferred disk space or leave the default unchanged. Please be cautious with what you choose in these sections as they affect your monthly credit usage. Confirm that the checkbox before the Allow HTTP traffic from the Internet, and before Allow HTTPS traffic from the Internet, are both ticked. Then scroll down and click on the Deploy button. Congratulations on your deployment. Take note of your site address, admin URL, admin user, and admin password as you'll need them later. You should play around with your new website, check how it looks by clicking on the site address. You may also want to log into your admin dashboard to see how things look there. That's it. Drop your comment below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages for updates as they are posted. You should also check our website, quickhacks.com, for more on cloud tutorials, life hacks, DIY and how-to, and food recipes. Thanks for watching.